And I'm gonna be by your side through.
So it has been a while since I have done a proper bag tour, and I realized that it's been so long now that my items or my everyday carry has probably changed a lot. And by changed, it probably lessened a lot. Hi, if you guys don't know me, my name is Kai Notebook. Please don't mind my mic holder. He is back. Mr. Forky is back. If you've been a long time viewer of this channel, then you know that this guy has been a recurring character in this series. I missed you. So currently I am in 3rd year dental medical school, and I'm at the point in my life where I don't want to carry a lot of things because I hate carrying like unnecessary things like going outside, because number one, I'm in the most uncomfortable uniform ever. For some reason we have uniforms for our dental medical school, and number two, we also have shitty uniforms. So in this video, I want to show you a little bit of a tour of my new what's on my bag, what I bring to school, pretty much my essentials that I consider essentials. Welcome to 2026, what's on my bag. Alright, so let's first start with the bag itself. So I recently got this bag from Orbitkey. So this is their sort of black tote bag. So it was either a backpack or a tote bag, and the reason why I chose this is number one, it has a laptop sleeve, so you can just open this right here, and there's a separate sleeve for your laptop, which is really cool. I mean, I know some backpacks have that, but it's just kind of nice to have it in a sort of horizontal, you know, orientation. Number two, it's very easy for me to just bring out things because this thing has a flap, so I can just bring out documents or papers or whatnot, and I don't have to really rummage through my other backpack. Which, you know what, let me show you my other backpack real quick. So this was my original backpack for school, and every time I wanted to get something inside, I had to open this flap and open this here. And by all means, this is very secure, but I don't think for school it's that practical for me because I kind of just want to get things in one sweep, which is why I chose this tote bag. So moving back to the tote bag, this is the Orbitkey. I think I mentioned that already. This is the tote bag from Orbitkey. This is their black tote bag. I will just leave a link in the description if you want. They actually sent this to me. This is not sponsored. I'm just showing you because I generally been using this for the last 6 months or so. Or I don't know how long I've been using this. It's a really good bag. But yeah, that is kind of the reason why I use a tote bag now instead of a backpack. All right, so now let's move on to what I pretty much bring to school every day. So the first and very most important thing that I bring to school is my computer, which is bring it here. My MacBook. My MacBook. I'm not really a huge Apple fanatic. It's just that with my current lifestyle right now, I can't really afford to just have apps crashing on me or just, I don't know. AirDrops is really, really nice. Having this not lag at all is just amazing. This thing is pretty light to carry as well. The battery is freaking amazing, and it's just so, I don't know, it just is so nice to have. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm not an advocate for, you know, mindless consumerism, but holy shit, this laptop, I'm not even joking, I feel like I work so much more productively with like an Apple MacBook, because the thing is, it's Mac OS. This shit can't play games. I'm a huge gamer. I like playing Minecraft. I like playing Valorant. I like playing whatever. I can't play with this computer. I can't download games. I cannot play shit on this computer. So every time I open this, I'm forced to work. I'm forced to study. So I guess that's kind of like a reason why I bought MacBook. And another thing is that work-wise, productivity-wise, it is just so nice to have. M4 chip is very optimized for, you know, creative work and whatever. And I even have a Apple Studio, which I use to edit my videos and all that. But yeah, screen is amazing, and it's just so light to carry, and it's just so nice to have to bring around for school. So yeah, that's pretty much the brains and brawn of, oh god, I think I scratched my, but yeah, this is pretty much the brains and brawn of pretty much what I bring to school. And this is what I also use to take notes with, so I don't really take notes anymore with my iPad. I find that because dental medical school is so much fact heavy, I just end up typing it straight to Anki, which is my flashcard app, so I don't waste any time just, making handwritten notes. And then opening up in the main compartment, the other device that I bring, I know, very ironic because I just said I don't take handwritten notes, but I bring iPad. So the reason why I bring my iPad is in the rare cases that I do really need to diagram things, or in the cases where this iPad is upside down. In the rare case that I really need to diagram things, or if I need to at least label or draw something, I bring my iPad and my Apple Pencil. You don't really need this. I'm gonna be honest, you don't need an Apple Pencil Pro. I just bought this because I wanted the luxury of having one. But you generally, like, if you're a student, you don't need an Apple Pencil Pro. Like, any off-brand pencil will do, as long as it works and as long as it takes notes. But yeah, pretty much I use this iPad for taking any diagrams, for any mind maps or whatever. I kind of also use this just for consuming. So every time I watch a YouTube video or when I watch Netflix or whatever, I kind of use this as well. So I mean, there's that. All right, moving on, in the bag compartment we have is this journal. I've always been showing this in my videos. If you guys don't know, this is my traveler's notebook. The thing is, I kind of realized the power of journaling, and I'm not even like saying this as like a productivity, oh, you should journal. Like, I have genuinely journaled like a lot on this journal, like any thought that I have, any plan that I want to execute, or anything that I'm overthinking about, because I'm someone who's a chronic overthinker. I'm way too like busy thinking about things instead of actually doing things. So I find that this journal is like a very productive way to really offload whatever I have in my head so that I can focus on like what truly matters. So, but another reason why I carry this around is really because sometimes I just experience things and I want to write down how I feel about them. So I have this really nice journal. It's leather, by the way. This is from Japan. It's leather made, leather bound, so it ages with time, so this will be really my personal journal for life. And finally, the last bit, yeah, I'm not even kidding, this is the last item. There's literally 4 items in this bag. So, like, I'm not someone who likes carrying a lot of things. Is this Orbitkey pouch. So I think this came with the bag or some other Orbitkey thing that I own, but anyway. This is the Orbitkey bag. This is where I keep all of my hygiene. So if we open it up, we can see I have a bunch of hygiene items here. So starting off, we have is my lip balm. Obviously, I want to keep my lips moist, and in case that, I ever get to kiss someone, which will probably be never. Next item I have is this Poison. So for those who don't live in Southeast Asia, this is practically like the best inhaler. Like, this is like weed for your fucking nose. Like, this is such a therapeutic thing to breathe in. So basically, you open this thing and it has like some mint inside, and you just fucking smell it. Oh, I feel like a 70-year-old grandma. I always keep this here. Next we have in my pouch is this really small, like, little, like, pouch of, I think this is wipes. Yeah, this is wipes. I always bring wipes just in case, like, things get messy or every time I need to clean myself. I don't mean shitting, I just mean like general. I also have a Type-C to Type-C charger. So in the cases where I do go somewhere and I don't have a place to charge my phone, I just bring this just in case. And then on the other side of this pouch we have is my oral hygiene stuff, because of course I'm a dentistry student, so I have to bring this. I mean, it's not that I have to, I just like bringing this. So the first thing we have is my travel toothbrush, of course. We also have my toothpaste. It is a purple toothpaste that's supposed to make your teeth white. It's more of an optical illusion, and this makes my teeth purple, if anything. So I kind of want to switch to a more fluoride-based toothpaste, but this is my toothpaste. I don't want to just throw this away. Next we have is my dental floss, of course. Flossing, I'm not even kidding, like, you should really floss your teeth. I'm not just saying this because I'm a dental student and I'm recommending you to floss. You should really floss your teeth. You have no idea how much shit gets in between your teeth. Like, it's disgusting if you just leave it there. So please floss your teeth. And finally, of course, peppermint, or double mint, whatever, just a couple mints in my bag, just in case, the rare chance that I will kiss someone. And finally, the last piece of tech that I carry, or that I carry pretty much to school, would be this little charge power bank. Ba-ba-ba-bum. So this is my power bank that I bring to school. And what's cool, what I really like about this is that it has, number one, a wireless charger for my iPhone. So it has a MagSafe charger, but it also has a little Type-C cord built into it. So it's like a little cord that you can carry around, but it's also a Type-C connector. So in any case that my friend brings a phone that is Type-C that needs to be charged, I can pretty much lend them this power bank, and I can also charge my phone at the same time. It even has a little stand, which is pretty cool. They actually sent this to me, and I thought the design is pretty cool. I really like the black futuristic, look to it. So pretty much what I carry to school. Although I do have a million other power banks, so if ever that's low battery, I just swap them out with another power bank. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what I bring to school. Pretty much other things that I bring to school that I didn't want to include in this video because it's not really an everyday carry, would be school documents, my lab gown, my dental school, whatever. That could be in another video, but I don't think that's really relevant because not everyone is in dentistry. So I just wanted to show you guys what I genuinely bring every day, like sort of my real essentials. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's little video. It's a bit different than my usual academic videos. I wanted to bring the what's on my bag back because a lot of you guys also watch me for pretty much my tech content, so I hope you guys find a little value from that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. In terms of emoji of the day, so if you're watching till this point of time, I have a bunch of donuts in a bowl. It's munchkins, really. So if you comment a donut emoji, like comment it down below, I will see it and I will know that you are a real one and you've watched till the end of this part of the video. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.